Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody out there. How's everybody doing today? It is Friday, so happy Friday. TGIF Friday. That's what I hear quite a bit. Let's see, a little overcast today. They're calling, I think, for a little snow tonight. I don't know. It does say a little snow. So thank you, everybody, for joining me. Thank you for watching. Today it's Friday, so I'm thankful it's Friday. I'm going to make 2 drinks today because it just seems like it's that kind of a week. So end the week off with 2 drinks, one for Marcus, one for me. We can taste it. I'm going to make a blood orange lemonade and a elderflower lemonade. So 2 different drinks. You really don't need a lot of ingredients for this. We make fresh lemonade here all the time at Aroma Time. So if you come in, order a lemonade, we're making you a fresh lemonade. And then we just add vodka and a flavoring to it. So I'm going to try this. Let's see how it goes. But first, tonight, it is Friday. We have our week-long special is $9.99 ribeyes to go. That is available until Sunday. And then Sunday's special is a shrimp and mussel green curry with rice and broccoli. So that is Sunday's special, but $9.99 ribeyes to go this week. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That is to go only. There we go. I just popped up that I am live, so everybody should start joining soon. I was wondering where everybody was today. I should start seeing some people popping up here in a few minutes. There we go. People are popping up. So hello. Again, happy Friday to everybody. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching me on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up. The more comments I get, the more likes I get, the more this spreads around Facebook. That's kind of how social media, Facebook works. So thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. Or maybe I have my comments turned off so I can't see my comments. Let's see. I don't know. I cannot see a single comment today. Not sure why. Marcus, can you try and send me a comment? Are you on? So I don't know. I cannot see any comments today for some reason. Not sure. But anyway, Friday, our grocery store is open. I just sent out a very large order. I have people picking up cream cheese and bagels and wild Alaskan smoked salmon. That is going out here shortly. Our liquor store, wine store is open. Aroma Time store is open. You can drop in. You'd have to buy some sort of food if you want to take alcohol to go. Takeout is always available at Aroma Time, and we do have a couple of tables. Reservations are coming in for tonight, so I do recommend calling ahead. We are limited on tables. I did just hear something about Cuomo opening up all restaurants now in New York, even if you're in the orange zone, but with limited capacity. Is that correct, Marcus?
I heard that too.
I heard that. I don't know how correct it is. But again, I can't see any comments. So if anybody's commenting.
People are commenting.
Yeah, I cannot see anything. So not sure why. And of course, I can't figure it out. Let me see if I can take this off here. Maybe, Marcus, you can tell me what they're saying so I can. Oop, I turned it around. Sorry. All right, well, sorry I can't see your comments today. Not sure why. If you're commenting anything important, do it again so Marcus can see it. He's sitting next to me. So, all right, I'm going to start with my cocktail. So I make lemonade first. I start with my pint glass, or if you were to come to the restaurant, usually our drinks come in a tall glass. So I'm going to put lemon. I do about 2 ounces of lemon in the bottom of my glass. Whoop. I'm going to do Marcus's too at the same time. So I'm doing everything at the same time. Then I use agave. That's our simple syrup. You can use sugar. I put agave in my glass. Depending on how sweet you want it, you make it as sweet as you like. Then I am going to put some organic vodka. So we use the Granger's vodka. This is a great deal, everybody. This is $27 on our shelf. So 2 ounces of vodka. And then, oh, you know what? I have to grab the elderflower. Hold on. I decided decided last minute I was making 2 drinks. So this is St. Elder. They make a blood orange and an elderflower. So this is what you'd use instead of Saint Germain. This is pretty cool. This actually has a recipe on the back. I think they both do actually. So about 1 ounce of elderflower. 1 drink is getting 1 ounce of elderflower, and the other drink is getting 1 ounce of blood orange. Marcus is eating, and I'm so hungry, and it smells so good. All right, then I am going to mix it up. Agave does not mix up well in cold like ice or cold water. So I like to mix that up first. And then I add maybe about 4 ounces to 3 ounces of water, because lemonade is water, a sweetener, and lemon juice. That's how I make my lemonade here. And I'm gonna mix that up. And I gotta be careful because I can't even tell the difference. And then I'm gonna top it off with ice. So, sorry you can't see me, I'm out of range. So there it is. That is I think this one is definitely the elderflower lemonade. Ooh, that's yummy. And then I am going to put ice in my blood orange lemonade. So I have elderflower lemonade and blood orange lemonade. So 1 for Marcus, 1 for me.
Blood orange for me.
Oh no, I think I want the blood orange. We'll share. So cheers to a happy, I grabbed a glass with, there it is. Aroma Thyme little thing there. So cheers, happy Friday. I think I need this drink a lot today. It's been a long week. Let's see, what else? What else do I need to talk about, Marcus? Anything?
I don't know.
I think that's it. $9.99 ribeyes to go till Sunday. Call and place your order. We open at 5 o'clock tonight. Tomorrow and Saturday we open at 3 o'clock, and you can get sides. Any comments I need to comment on?
No, people just saying hi to you.
Hi, everybody. Thank you.
Cheryl says hi.
Thank you for joining me. Thank
Cheryl
you.
says, yeah, your hair is down.
I actually got my hair done today. So shout out to the cottage, Alexa at the cottage. I got my nails done this week. So shout out to Kim at the cottage here in Ellenville. They do an awesome job there. Thank you. My hair, I got it cut today. I needed a cut. I don't think I've had it cut since salons opened back up in June. So I think that's it. Thank you everybody for watching me. Thank you everybody for your support. Marcus and I are super grateful. And I will see everybody maybe this weekend, or I will see you all on Monday. So cheers and have a great weekend. Bye.